Hi there. What we're going to do today is a demonstration of how to work a parametric equalizer in the preamp to adjust for room acoustics. You get a Bluetooth app. This is an oscillator app. I don't even know what it's called, but there's lots of them out there. All you really want to do is be able to sweep the frequencies and listen for dips and peaks. And I tend to usually focus on the peaks more than the dips, because those are the ones that can cause ear fatigue when listening to music. So we're at 67 Hertz right now. And it all sounds to me quite even, up to 70, slowly sweeping up, 90, 100. Yep. Now we're starting to get loud at 142. Not terribly loud. 180, 200, 200, a little bit of a peak there. 300. Not bad. Nothing crazy yet. We're at 1,000. 2,000. That's getting loud. 2,600. Around 124 is pretty loud. 4,000. Yeah. 10,000. Pretty much where my hearing taps out. So there's a small spot at around 24. So now I can take the equalizer and put a big cut on there, and I got the Q relatively high, and here there's where it dies out right there. Yeah, right about there. So now I'm going to bring that back up again so that it's even with the rest of the range. Not bad. That's it. Now that sounds no irritating, no dropouts, nothing too crazy. Just got rid of that one peak, and we're set.